I use my brain for everything. File management, project management, business organization, taking notes in meetings, the list goes on and on. But I also use my brain for personal projects. And this holiday season, the brain is my go-to application to stay on track with all my holiday tasks. In fact, there's a dedicated area in my brain where I keep track of all my different holiday activities. Thanksgiving in my house is a big deal. There's a lot to keep track of. As you can see, there's some high-level subcategories that all of my information is connected to, such as my favorite wine lists, resources for cooking and supplies, and of course, the all-important recipes area. But this year, I'm trying all new recipes. So I'm going to rename my existing recipe thought. I Alt-click on the thought to open the Thought Properties display and rename this thought to Recipe Archive. Now I can click and drag from the child gate for Thanksgiving and create an all-new thought called New Recipes. I'll click and drag for a new child thought again, but this time I'll separate each new thought with a semicolon, creating an individual thought for all the individual dishes I plan on making. The semicolon trick is always a great time saver. Now it's time to bring in some of the recipes I've found. First, my cousin recently sent me an interesting stuffing recipe that she really likes. Here's the Word document on my desktop. I'll just drag and drop right into the brain, hovering over my existing stuffing thought. So that is where the file will be attached. I've modified my brain to move files into the brain when using drag and drop. Now I can access this file at any time in the future right from the brain. File attachments will always launch in their native application. And I can continue adding recipes at any time. Alternatively, I can copy the text and just paste into the note of a thought for quicker access to this recipe in the future. I can even copy and paste the photo of the dish right into the note. Some recipes I've found online. Again, I can copy that content and paste it into the note, or drag and drop from the address bar of my browser right into the brain. The web page will now load up right in the brain's built-in browser. I drag and drop web pages into my brain often, whether I'm shopping online or keeping track of informative YouTube videos, which play right in the brain's content area as well. I now have all my recipes, documents, and web links in my brain at my fingertips when I need them most. It's time to move on to creating my shopping list. I've created the new thought and created a checklist in my note for each individual item. A quick review of the pantry before I go shopping, and anything that I already have will simply get checked off the list. And if I order something online before I go shopping, that gets checked off as well. I'm syncing my brain to the Brain cloud, and I have the Brain for iOS installed on my iPhone. So, while I'm grocery shopping, I'll be able to stay focused and organized. There's one final step to really spice up my brain with a holiday mindset. I'll add some new wallpaper. I found an image online that I really like. I'll copy it to my clipboard, right-click in the Plex, and select Paste Wallpaper. Nothing can stop me now from staying organized and really getting into the holiday spirit. It's time to start organizing your holiday season with the Brain.